Rise and shine, friends. It's time for my office tour. I'm Brooks, and I work here at Basements Plus. That's the side door. I get to go in that way because I'm special. Here we have some of my very best friends working hard in their own offices. Now this little kitchen is where all my friends make their stinky coffee and put their lunches that I can't eat. But this kitchen is my very favorite because it's where I get my super yummy ice water. Mmm. I would chomp on it straight out of the machine if Mommy let me, but I don't think that she would like that very much. This is our beautiful showroom where I meet so many new friends each and every day. And this is one of our presentation rooms where Mom and Dad have meetings all the time with my new friends. Sometimes I even run into the glass because I think it's open when it's not. This is right by the front door, and it's where I keep nice and cozy during the cold months. Moving along, we have some more offices and some more friends. This is our warehouse. I don't get to go in here very often, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. There's so much room to run around and play in here. I love it. Some of my very best friends work in the warehouse, and they're always willing to play with me a little and give me lots and lots of treats. Moving along to our last stop is my favorite place in the whole office. My own office. Oh look, there's Mommy. Concluding our office tour, we have my nice new big bed that I choose never to lay on. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.